claustrophobic to you right now? I know I am. It's probably because this formula is so big in such a small space. So in this Coda tip, we're gonna give ourselves some breathing room and also unleash the inner hacker that all of us have inside. So first of all, if I want more space for this big formula, all I need to do is click right here. Boom, we've all of a sudden got a huge, giant great room where we can relax and lounge with our coffee cups and laugh with our friends. Now, if I want to then see this in a little bit more of an organized way, I can just click on this auto format and all of a sudden, boom, I am in the middle of CSI. I am hacking and finding things out through forensics and all that. But it just lets me parse what's going on here a little bit more clearly. I can see sort of the paragraphs, the topic sentences, and then all of the sub-bullets and sub-points, and just kind of read this a little more clearly with what's going on. So the next time you're feeling cramped, you want to spread your wings and fly with your formula wings, just go ahead, click on that expand, click on auto format, take a deep breath, and calculate.